Roadies, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Thanks for checking in and checking us out. Tonight's great adventure is something unprecedented, historic. It's the inaugural year of Howl-O-Scream at SeaWorld in Orlando. Normally they have it at Tampa in Busch Gardens, but this is the first year here. I'm super pumped. We're gonna see what we're gonna see. I'll video as much as I can video, and we'll talk about it and see what's there. Get scared, have fun. Thanks for being here. Roadies, come with me for an adult beverage. Siren's last call. Hey Roadies, we're gonna enter our first of 4 houses, the Water's Edge Inn. I'll let you know, stand by, how scary it is. All right, we checked out. It was like a 5-star hotel, but 4 of the stars fell off of it. So it was pretty scary. All right, Roadies, house number 2. Base camp beneath the ice. So we'll see how it is, see how scary it is. Come join us, let's have some fun. That was cool, no pun intended. Blood and ice don't mix very well. And conveniently, they dropped us off here in a gift shop. Hey Roadies, here's one of the shows we're gonna try to catch. Hey, did someone know the number to AAA? I think I broke down. House number 3. Let's do it. All right, that wasn't too bad. A lot of vegetation. It was a quick house though. It was a good time though. All right, Roadies, last house. Captain's Revenge. We're gonna do it Roadies Revenge style. Let's do it. Roadies, me like that one. Captain's Revenge. Night's going good so far, Roadies. Got one more show, hit 4 scare houses, having a good time. Howl-O-Scream, SeaWorld. If this place ain't working, you can head over, is it? tonight. 4 houses, 4 scare zones, 2 shows. Prices range from 40 to 70 bucks from Thursday to Sunday. Had a great time. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. If you haven't, please subscribe. And as always, roadies,